YouTube, back with another video. I know I haven't been consistent at all. I'm trying my hardest. A lot of things going on, work and other situations, but I bring y'all kind of like a vlog today, just a couple of pieces and clips from what have been going on from around these couple months I've been away. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. More content coming soon, and go ahead. Let's start it. Just fuck it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Start it. This shit is not it. Somebody play my fucking time. Is it okay?
Yes.
It is?
Yeah.
How would you do this?
Why are you in my business? This fat as fuck.
It's a nice car.
Yeah, get your ashy ass hands off my glass.
Fuck your car, nigga. Fuck your car, nigga.
Don't let me get my block out the truck.
Pop the trunk. Go ahead, pop it. I'm out here, you. Ain't no damn block in there. What's up? What? My tire is flat. Who did it? Who flipped my tire?
Huh?
Who flipped my tire?
You did it.
I flipped my tire.
Yeah.
Nah, some crackhead flipped my tire because I want to give him $1.
That's
I had caught that nigga backside my car when I got out of work. I was gonna rock his ass.
Are you getting that?
Nah, I'm dead ass though. It was a crackhead walking past my car though when I got in there last night. That nigga. It was the same nigga I told that I was gonna give $1 to, but I never did. Nah, I ain't told him I was gonna give him $1. That's kind of crazy. I told him I ain't had no cash on me, but I didn't have no cash on me. I would have give you $1 if I had some cash. But I ain't had no cash. He's
I
on
want
his
to go
phone.
watch
So yeah, so we're gonna see, can I get a plug, fix my tire, and go run a little bit of errands, and yeah. I'm finna get hit by a car and shit trying to get out of truck. I'm finna get hit by a car. I know. I'm finna get hit by a car. Yeah.
It's so crazy because I be calling you Ernest so much, saying E sound weird.
I don't know who she called Ernest. That's not me.
I be calling you Ernest so much, and I was saying E sound weird, but you lucky as shit.
What? Yeah, no bullshit. We made it just in time. So we'll get a quick plug in my tire, and then I'm gonna run a little bit of errands and shit. But yeah, no bullshit. We need this. I got my shit plugged. I know what we gotta do.
What we gotta do? I'm hungry.
Oh, we can go.
What do we need to do?
I gotta get my prescription for my shoulder.
Yeah.
I fucked my shoulder up.
I don't even want to talk about it.
I'll tell you when I get to the house. But yeah, so we're gonna get the prescription. They need something to eat.
What else? You need to do something else.
I wanted to go to I wanted to get something for Tristan's birthday because
But we could go because they're at the house now.
yeah, we can just go look at some shit.
Where
So-
you want to go?
We're gonna be on LeBron. We can go on Walmart. I wanna go to Walmart though.
Huh?
I wanna go to Walmart.
Then we don't go to
I wanna go Target. I wanna get kicked out of Target.
For recording?
Yeah.
I don't.
The only thing they can tell me is to stop recording.
We can record on my phone.
Yeah. But
It's a small, small world. And my girl. I was gonna say something, but I'm not gonna do that.
what you gonna do?
No.
You feel
On
me?
Sunday.
Yeah.
Today is Sunday. I work on Sunday. You always doing shit on Sunday without me.
Cause it was raining yesterday.
But today is Saturday. I mean, today is Sunday.
Yeah, I was gonna do it yesterday, but it was raining yesterday.
Oh, but I'm just saying. You always doing stuff on Sunday.
My hair like some shit. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. It's the next day. I need to go put my prescription in too today.
You have to pay for it?
If I gotta pay for that shit, I'm not getting it. Like, no, my Medicaid should cover it. But yeah. Say bye. See you tonight.
I don't want to go to work.
See that joint go though.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like you ain't got
With
no
the
truck where
with
that
the
bitch
truck
got
is like
damn.
you gotta learn how to respect his weight.
Exactly. You
Like,
feel what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. So imagine the burden.
That's too much weight.
Or that right there.
I ain't-
You feel what I'm saying?
weight for
You gotta know how to goddamn.
Yeah.
You
That's
can't
too
just
much weight.
swing that bitch. You feel?
Yeah.
These the SUV
He
niggas
come
over here.
outside tired as hell.
The SUV niggas.
Yeah.
They want the Jeeps and the Trackhawks and all that shit,
Hell
Bourbons
yeah, the
and all
Bourbons.
that. Nah.
What the fuck? You got an SS.
I keep to the cars. I need lightweight. I don't need that heavy shit.
Cause
Hell
your ass
nah.
wanna go.
Oh shit, I gotta get some gas.
Oh lord.
I like space, man. I like big ass trucks. I like when I come through, get the fuck out my way.
See, I can't do that. I can't park them big ass shit. Finna go run some errands. Man, I might do something to the rims. I need to do something. There's some temporary shit, but finna go get some gas. Shit. Well, I'm back. I'm finna start on this shit. I haven't told you what I was gonna do. I'm gonna black out the rims because I got aluminum rims and shit. I already kind of started, and the last people who had this car, like fucked the rims up, like they're flaking and shit. We can kind of see, and I'm not finna put no money into these rims, like, cause I'm finna just get some new ones, probably like December or next winter. You see, like, in this video you saw, I'm gonna put it in this video, the rims I was looking at. But instead of me going ahead and trying to waste money and fix these rims when nobody is really works or want to do stuff to aluminum because they said it's a hard rim to work with, I'm just gonna do some little cheap temporary shit until I get my rims in the future. Finish the first half. That shit look clean. I low-key fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? Shit gas, no bullshit. Like, that motherfucker pressure, I mean, type shit, like, you know what I'm saying? Fuck with it. I just gotta do other half. That's it. So, I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm done the car. Oh shit, no copyright, but I finished the wheels and shit. They done. I'm gonna give y'all a better look in probably in the morning, but as of right now, I can show them to y'all now. They're a little dark, but I fuck with them. You know what I'm saying? Hey guys, I'm finished, so I'm out here. I just got me something to eat from Wendy's. I'm finna go eat that, and then go back home, get my hair done, show y'all how that, and that might be the end of the day. But I'm gonna catch y'all when I hit to the crib. It's a couple days. It's like probably a day later than the last clip, but I forgot to record an outro for this vid, and it's the end of the vlog. More content coming soon. I know I always say that I need to start getting more consistent, but I'm finna. I don't think I never show y'all the finished project, but like, that's how we looking now. I fuck with it, but it need a wash for sure. I'm gonna wash it this weekend. I'll probably pick up the camera this weekend, do some more shit. But until then, catch y'all boys later.